right.
Yo, what up, guys? It's B-Side Zone here, and today we're playing War Thunder.
Why did you have to say it like that?
I don't know. I'm doing 9.0 battle rating. I'm using an M22, which is not 9.0.
No, it's a 2.0.
It's a 2.0.
The M22 gang. Is everybody ready?
Load it.
Let's do it.
All right.
We're so fucking dead.
Yep. I'm gonna go for C.
I'm at least gonna bring 10 rounds. That's it.
I'm bringing
5.
one less than you.
I brought 5 rounds.
Driver ready. Driver ready.
I'm going for C. I'm gonna make it.
I'm gonna make it.
I'm coming, guys.
Where are you, Cody?
Yeah, why
It
are
spawned
you?
me in the wrong direction.
Ah, I see.
We're gonna make it, Austin.
Oh, damn.
Sorry. I had
Almost
to,
flipped my ass.
I had to stop. I thought we were being shot already. I was like, how?
We're like paper. Can I go through that? Yep. Awesome.
Probably gonna get shot first then.
Oh, almost there. How do I get past? Oh, hey, Taylor.
Hey. Probably can't go through
Get
this.
it. Damn.
Probably can't go through this.
Oh, I got stuck. Good luck, man.
I made it. I made
You know
it!
artillery's gonna take us out.
That's impossible. It doesn't take us out in the lower levels.
Well, this is higher artillery.
It's shitty artillery.
I made it!
I made it too.
And Cody gets instant. We capture the zone!
Oh my god, we did it! Let's go!
Ah, guys, help me!
We're working
I got
on
a
it.
kill assist! Oh my god!
Hell yeah!
I'm dead.
I'm dead. They really kill kids.
Wow.
Actually, this one's a lot thicker.
Oh, really?
I found the perfect hiding spot!
Quit hiding, you coward.
Fuck you! I'm living! I will live!
And I will get...
Somebody just saved me. I have no parts.
M18. Well, Taylor, I'm doing much better than you are.
Advancing.
Well, I'm heading to the C point because I saw a really
Taylor,
small
you
vehicle
come-
that I
Yeah?
might be able to hit.
Nah.
Never mind.
We've been hit.
Oh, that's fucked. What shot me?
Help, Austin!
I'm coming. Give me a second. I'm moving
I'm dead.
30 miles an hour.
Where?
My first tank, and I got 500 points. A Chan guy, whatever his name
I don't know.
Oh
what
my
the
god!
fuck
Let's
happened.
fucking go!
is. He got a kill.
I got
No
a kill.
fucking way.
Yeah, let's go. I win.
That's
I'm
awesome.
a
Austin.
fucking god. I'm pretty close.
I'm
Target
7
practice.
miles
Look at that
out.
sign dance. Oh my god! Look at that dancing. Oh, okay.
Taylor, be careful. There's an AA coming your way. Oh no, you're on A. Never mind. Wait, you're still in spawn.
Oh, my bad.
Roger. Advancing.
Coward.
I had to make sure I lasted the entire match.
Oh, it's over. We won.
Good job, Austin.
Thank you, man.
And be like, oh, I got you, you little bastard.
As you're hearing us scream, going, "Oh my god, I got a hit!" Oh. All right, I'm going.
Charge Taylor. That's right.
Yeah, we captured the zone. No! No!
me!
Every man for themselves.
This dude was screaming, there's an M22 on me. It's actually kind of fun going in a hydrogen match.
I just sent an artillery. Oh, at least I get a. Hopefully, I get a couple hits. Austin, watch out!
I got a critical. I fucking took it as a driver. Let's go.
Hell yeah!
All somebody's got to do now still.
Taylor, are you hiding?
Waiting.
You're waiting for the right moment.
He's waiting to strike.
I
Let's
got
go.
a
Got it
kill!
closest.
Lucky Taylor got the kill!
Oh, thank you, Taylor.
I got God mode. That's what it said. God mode.
Really?
Yeah. When I got a kill, it said God mode.
I didn't even read what it said for me.
I'm right on A. I might be able to.
This tank right here is a good hiding spot. I like this.
Yeah, I'm hiding behind Austin. The dead one.
The dead Austin, not the living Austin.
That's fucked.
I'm hiding behind a living Cody.
Yeah, because Cody's kind of scared.
There's 2 tanks. Right on A.
Well, not exactly on A.
Don't retreat on me.
I was gonna go help. I'm scared of that corner there, also. Can you keep an eye on it?
Yeah. He backed up
Yeah.
already.
Did you get hit though?
No, he backed up before I got my shot off. I can't see it if you do that. I can't see it if you do that.
Sorry, I was chasing a guy.
I'm coming, guys.
There's a lot of tanks being spotted where you told me to watch, by the way.
Yeah, I know. Who hit me? Oh, that's so cute.
You like how it didn't even move?
I just literally called you cute. What the fuck?
Yeah, you did. He popped out again.
Whoa!
Oh my God!
Helicopter!
Never mind.
Helicopter!
Tactical retreat.
He has 2
Run.
missiles left.
Oh my God, Taylor, how are you still alive?
I don't know. But I'm gonna go run away.
Is it dead? I think that's a dead tank. It looks dead to me. Found another human shield.
Cody?
No, I don't know his name. He just died. I feel like I'm bad luck at this point. Sorry, bro. I'll go this way.
God. I hear missiles. I'm scared, Cody. I'm scared.
Me shooting at a helicopter. Hey, Taylor.
Hey. Yeah, let me at him. Let me at him.
Okay.
Go get a boy.
Woohoo!
Yeah, get him.
I don't want to be out in the open anymore. I'm going back
Or
into
not.
hiding.
Wait,
I
how
did
did you
that
dodge
up.
that? Oh, I was like, how did you dodge
Those are
an
just gas
explosion?
tanks.
Yeah, go teach him a lesson.
Anyone want to fuck with my younger siblings? Come get me! Woohoo! I'm right here!
Where's the helicopter? I want to shoot it.
He went back to base to rearm. Friendly helicopter, Z-11 just flew overhead.
Cody, right in front.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, of you!
I got him. I don't got him. He died already?
No, he
Thank
didn't.
you. That shot did not make any fucking effort, apparently. That was weird.
I was like, right in front.
I shot him. I
Completely-
shot him and nothing happened.
Hey, also, I'm in a different direction than you.
I marked him. I'm gonna use this.
Fuck that tree.
Somebody pop smoke right here.
He doesn't want to push.
I didn't mean to do that.
Taylor, did you do that?
No, I did not. You think I would jeopardize my way of living?
Taylor definitely did that.
I got a hit! Artillery!
Nice.
Oh, hey, yeah, there's artillery I could use.
Your artillery is a little bit better than mine, but if I stay alive this whole match in M22, that would be nice.
Aww,
Hey,
poor
Austin,
bud.
this is a PTSD simulator.
Why?
For World War II.
You can just literally watch your own team fucking drive out in front and then gone.
Yeah, I was watching him and I was like, kill that guy. No!
I don't know who killed that guy, to be honest.
Stop dying on me. No, I'm
Push
sorry,
me!
Taylor.
Don't push me in the open!
I didn't even know you were behind me, man.
I want to
Sorry.
live!
Tank left, somewhere over there, I hear his engine.
Are you sure
I
that's
see
not
him.
my engine?
I'm hiding.
Follow my tracer.
Ah! Oh my god! Ah!
I'm running.
How long was he there?
I got
Wait.
killed by a T-10. I swear to God, if that's machine gun. I got killed by a machine gun?
I'm running away.
I had 2 more crew members. Where were they?
I'll bring this.
You know what? I'm flying over your guys' head.
What? Shoot you down?
No, I would not want you to.
Oh, could I?
You could, but don't please.
Okay.
So it's a possibility, is what you're saying?
I'm just asking for a friend.
Yeah, it's
Can
just a
I shoot
hypothet-
you down?
Yeah, it's just hypothetical, Cody. We're
Yeah.
just, you know, it's not like we're actually gonna.
Enemy helicopter up.
All right,
That
I'm taking him out.
location.
He's
No.
behind.
That way, in the sky. He's far out, so follow the AA tracer around so you
I
can
see
see him.
This big ass tank's in the fucking way.
Cody's dead body.
Yep. Oh, he's way out there. I can't even see him. And my barrel won't even aim that high. Oh yeah, well, we're good.
Watch out for your guys' back since they have B and A, or C. Enemy AA.
Are you a
Cody-
helicopter? Yeah, you're a
I was
helicopter.
gonna say, Cody, would you be mad if I sniped this other helicopter out of the sky?
Go ahead.
That's the
guy that killed me. I shot at him and he immediately turned towards me.
I didn't kill him, but I got a hit on him. Oh, was he not dead? Oh, I got
Now
killed.
he is.
I thought he was dead. I'm doing much better this match.
Yeah, I shot at him and he immediately turned at me. I said, oh god.
Yeah, is that your first or second kill, Austin?
That's my first.
God damn,
I have-
look at your score. 1 kill, 3 assists, 1 capture.
That's exactly what I was about
Taylor?
to say, but yeah.
1 kill, something
1
hit.
capture.
One
Yeah,
kill, one
I kind
capture.
of figured that would happen.
I also got too excited.
No, what did you want me to do? You were looking at me the entire time.
Cody, you want to help me out or?
How am I supposed to help you with an AA?
I don't know.
I could try. Where's he at?
Probably behind me.
You have a good AA though, right? Oh, hey.
I'm just gonna be an AA.
I'm probably gonna die.
Wait, Taylor, you're leaving me here to fight this guy?
Yes!
Cody, can you please be an AA for 5 seconds?
Nope. I'm dead.
I got you. I'm coming back.
Nope, I'm dead.
I'll ting him for you.
Like I said, I'm dead.
Oh.
I'm
I'm gonna
out.
hide behind all these dead tanks.
Oh, I'm not out. Hell yeah. I'm coming back in.
Yeah.
The guy is, look at your map, Taylor. He's sitting right there.
Oh no.
Right in front of me?
I just marked it on the map.
I hit it with artillery.
Oh fuck.
I got a hit with Artie. So yeah, he's definitely over there.
Oh, he's coming right to me, by the way.
I'm guessing he popped smoke. If we can clutch this match, that'd be awesome.
Is there a tank in front of you, Taylor?
Yes!
Why did I take the hit?
I don't know. But there's another one coming up behind him.
Let them show their side.
They're like, oh fuck me. No!
Oh no, Taylor!
I was so close to blasting the whole match with the M22. Odd. I was so close.
Oh, not the same guy.
Alright, I'm
Aw.
bringing the M18, I guess.
Fucking turret!
Is that it for me? Yeah, that's it for
That's
me.
it for me. I'll spectate Taylor.
Yeah. Taylor, there's a
Hey
helicopter
Taylor,
to your right.
top right.
Blow him up.
If you get that kill, I'll fucking...
Please, please. Oh, so close. Uh-oh.
Aim your machine gun's a little bit higher than him.
Yeah, a little higher. Perfect.
There you go. There you go.
Lower. Lower.
Lower.
Yeah!
Look at that, Taylor. He's doing so much better in high tier than low tier.
I'm a god.
Can I start
Teammates
with
are
my
gonna
M60,
fucking hate us.
or do I just start with my 1.0s?
1.0s.
You start with the 1.0s. You don't even get to start with the 9.0.
Yeah,
bro.
you don't ever get to start with the highest.
The
tank.
9.0
course,
is
it's the
only to
same
bring
badge.
us in.
What's that?
Oh,
It's
straight
the
to
same
A.
match as last time.
Should have had the M22, but straight to A.
Straight to A?
Straight to A.
Alright.
Oh, great. Now we get to the. Oh, no, we don't.
Alright,
I'm
going straight
starting-
to A.
I'm starting with this bad boy. No, I'm not. No, wait. No.
Nah, they get to see what's gonna happen.
Come on,
Try
baby.
ready.
The best thing is, this is only 50 SP.
What the? They're all
I'm
shooting
going-
at us.
I'm going.
Excuse me. I'm getting squashed. I'm getting squashed.
Hey, look,
Aw,
Austin,
look
I'm
at you.
faster than you.
Fuck off.
I'll probably die first.
There we go. Man, Cody, what are you doing all the way back there?
I was getting smushed by like 3 tanks.
I'm gonna stick out like a sore fucking thumb. Oh my
You're
god.
a boat, bro.
I am. I'm a fucking driving boat right here.
Mistakes were made. Just open up a section for me.
Get it, Taylor.
Yeah, I'm as fast as a main battle tank.
Mobility kill.
I mean, as slow as a main battle tank. Why are we on the exact same side, too?
Oh, they're all pushing the backside of A. Careful, Cody! Hey, I got a zone.
I think I scared a guy, by the way.
I'm a boat.
Ah, help me, guys! Please!
Critical!
No!
Are you lucky? I'll keep taking this. I did my best, Taylor. It's all on you now. Alright, give me some air targets.
I don't know where.
Oh, hey, you're in the. I gotta kill assist. Let's go.
Nice.
Most of the zones are taken by the enemy.
Hell, so we're about the same speed.
Over there, Cody. I got you a target. We'll hit him together. He won't stand a chance.
If he's a freaking T-72, I cannot do shit to him.
He's a rapid fire tank.
Oh, I can kill him.
Yeah, you can take the hit. He's
Right
dead.
there. I'm dead. I'm dead. Right there.
You think I'm a coward? Get your ass back here. Oh shit. Get him, Cody.
I didn't do shit.
Now
Somebody
he's
else
dead.
killed him. I'm repairing. I'm hurt so
It's
bad.
time to bring it in.
I have 2 crew members left.
What, your
Wait.
1.0 airplane?
No.
That's what we
my-
should challenge Cody to.
That's what I told him to do.
What, in air battles?
No, in this.
God, that
Oh,
turn.
I have my reserve plane.
The barrel. I hate that you told me to use this tank, you fucker. Fuck you.
I can move! Hey, also there's a jet in the sky.
Damn.
Well, you know what? I died already.
Alright. Time to bring in the 1.3 tank.
Fuck! Or was it, Cody?
My
I want to avenge you.
1.3 tank.
Closer?
Ah, here we go.
No! There ain't no way you saw me.
Hey, Taylor!
Huh.
Look behind you.
What?
Oh, it's dead.
We're twins.
Nice. There was a
Look
bunch
at
of
the
guys
knife.
over here, by the way.
Yeah.
Cody, if I get
Yeah,
a kill
he's
with
right
this
there.
tank, I'll be
I
surprised.
see him.
Yeah. If I get a hit
There's
at
so
all.
many tanks I see.
The enemy is controlling most of the zones.
I
Hi,
got a
Cody.
crit! Fuck you, bitch! I
Why
will
did you
get
shoot me, you jackass?
I got your loader! I got...
Kill assist!
Yes! Yes!
Weak
You
Hey, also,
boys.
you're on fire.
You got a
Hey,
kill?
hey.
Yeah, I got the kill.
Oh my god.
Taylor, in front of you!
Yep, I see him.
Oh, I can't kill him.
Somebody else did, though.
He's not dead.
Oh, fuck. I'm dead. I'm dead.
I died first? That's fine! He wanted me! He's probably shot.
I'm out of ammo. Taylor, no.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
I know.
Oh my god, they all came to our